Hey guys, so it's raining again today. I have just a smidge more welding to do. As you can see, I got these little supports I'm gonna put kind of cross beam, so it's a little bit stronger because the person I'm making this for really stressed that they wanted to be strong, so they can hold up a couple of heavy books. So I've got a little bit more to do. I'm gonna set my grinder and my welder out on the edge of the garage so I don't get rained on and so I don't electrocute myself. Hey guys, so I've been doing a lot of grinding and a lot of hand sanding on this bad boy. I think it's finally clean and smooth enough for me to put on the final coat of bluing solution and then the lacquer to keep it from rusting. So I'm gonna try that out and see how it goes. Yeah, this stuff is pretty much just keep applying until it's as dark as you want. So I'm gonna keep rubbing it down until it turns super dark. Hey guys, so I am going to be finishing up this tabletop here. I like this satiny finish that they gave it with the oiling that they did, but I personally always like to put on a coat of this Minwax polyurethane. It's just another layer of protection for the wood and works pretty well. So I'm going to put that on there and let this baby shine. All right, so I'm pretty much done with this coffee table. I've got one more step to do. It's got 4 coats of polyurethane on it. Should be nice and protected. I'm gonna wax it up, make it nice and smooth. And then I just gotta attach it to the base and you know, pretty much finished. So let's get it done. Waxing finished, nice and smooth. Now let's get this on top of that. Hey guys, so I've got the coffee table here, finished, ready to be picked up by my friend. I had such a fun time making this project. I love putting my skills to the test and learning new things, practicing. Thank you all again for watching. I really appreciate all the support. I hope to do a lot more of this kind of stuff in the future, so stay tuned for the next one. And, thanks again.